Fix in 5. Got a P0561? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine or alternator warning lights illuminated on dashboard, engine starting difficulty or intermittent starting failures, dashboard instruments and warning lights flickering or shutting off, malfunction of electrical components, power windows. Now the most likely causes. Defective or discharged battery with reduced capacity, most common cause. Faulty alternator or voltage regulator malfunction, or damaged battery cables, broken or poor engine ground, mass, connection. Faulty starter relay or corrosion in main connectors. Here's how a pro pins it down. Assuming the battery alone is at fault, always test alter. Neglecting to inspect or replace corroded earth, ground STR. Overlooking intermittent wiring faults or pin fit issues failing to clear old codes and test drive after repairs. Mixing aftermarket alternators, batteries that don't meet O. How to fix it. Clean battery terminals with wire brush and apply conductive grease to restore connection. Replace battery if it does not hold charge. Test and replace alternator if voltage regulation is unstable during load test. Repair or replace corroded or loose battery cables and connectors. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 165 to 240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0561? Repairing P0561 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0561. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.